Your Honor,
Okay.
I believe the choir director, Mr. Matthews here, got me pregnant on the church retreat, and he's the father of my baby girl.
Not possible.
So, Mr. Matthews,
Yes.
what do you feel about her accusations? What do you got to say about this?
I think she may be a little off in the head because apparently she's going crazy in her mind. This might be a fantasy that she's been having from quite some time.
What?
Because there's no way possible that that could be my child.
Okay, so, Miss Lydia, what was this relationship like, or was it a relationship, or what was it?
I mean, I would say we've always just been very friendly. I mean, we go to the same church, and, you know, I've always felt really nice and safe around him. And then we went to the retreat. Everybody pulled their donations together, and we all went to a congregation retreat. And he was very friendly, a little handsy, but, you know, he bought me a drink, and I'd say we probably had a couple drinks, and, you know, just, I don't know, just felt, he made me feel good, and things just kind of went from there.
Pause. Ask how long was the retreat. Tell her it was about like 2 weeks.
Okay, so let me ask you, how long was this retreat?
It was like about 2 weeks.
So
Yeah.
2 weeks. So for the whole 2 weeks, you guys were...
Yes. We, you know, it kind of started with one thing and then kind of led to another. But yeah, throughout the whole 2 weeks,
Y'all
we
was
were
together,
together. Yeah. And I really felt like we had some kind of connection happening.
Oh, okay, so Mr. Matthews, she's saying for 2 weeks at this retreat, you guys was kind of inseparable. Is that not so?
Hell no, the devil is a liar.
So, I mean, so what she's saying is for the whole 2 weeks of this retreat, y'all wasn't...
Your Honor, she's mistaken friendliness with being cordial. I was being cordial with basically everyone.
Everyone?
I was being cordial with everyone in the church as we should be, and she just took it a little bit too far.
She took it a little too
So,
far.
took it a little too far, as in you had your hands up my shirt and other things down my pants?
What you allowed is not my fault.
Wait, what?
But you trying to say it was some type of involvement with y'all, because you...
Touching hand on the shirt cannot get you pregnant. As you know, I'm a choir director, so I'm very good with my hands. That's my God-given gift. As you can see, that's why I'm keeping them behind my back, because if these come in front of me, there might be a problem.
So y'all had some type of relationship,
No.
but it was some type of intercourse that happened on this retreat.
Yes.
So it's safe to say that your hands came out and played that day.
I had my hands behind my back at that time as well.
May have had his hands behind the back, but he didn't have his thing from his pants behind his back.
Well, that was a...
I object.
I know that's right. I bet you do object. Because I guess you can do it with no hands now. And I've been told that plenty of times. So, with that, now, so Miss Lydia, why did he doubt this paternity?
I don't know. I mean, maybe he doesn't want to take responsibility for his baby. He maybe doesn't want to lose his position in the church. I don't know. It's just, I have no reason to think that he would do this, but he has.
So let me ask you, Mr. Matthews, why is the doubt? Where's the doubt coming from?
The color of the baby.
So, I mean, what is the color of the baby?
It's
Her color.
So it ain't got a little swirl or nothing else in it. Nothing.
I can't help what
Milk and
genetic.
magnesium. Is that what you're saying?
And that couldn't have came from me.
Because evidently you dark
Yes.
and completely no complexion, just all. Is it true, Miss Lily?
I can't help what genetics does. That
I
doesn't
can.
solve anything. Babies can be born when you've got mixed races, colors. It comes out one way or another, and no one has any choice on that but God.
Okay, so Mr. Matthews, you said the baby Has no color. So what kind of church is this? Is it predominantly white, black?
Black, I would say black.
So it's more black than white. So, I mean, who darker than you in that church that you think she living with?
It's a couple of other brothers in the church.
And do you think she had relationships with him?
All of them were on the retreat.
Everybody was on a retreat. But she said after the first time, you never left her room after that. It was like 2 weeks of just non-stop.
Lie detector determined that was a lie.
Well, now that you saying that and you saying it's majority black, is it any other races that was on this retreat?
No.
So it was all black people on this retreat.
That's nothing to do.
So let me ask you, have you had any parts in this child's life?
No.
Have you saw the child just at church or,
Picture.
saw on the picture? So,
Well, it's because he hasn't been back to church.
so after the retreat, let me get this straight. After the retreat and she told you she was pregnant, you never went back to church?
Well, I was opening my own business, so I kind of took the entrepreneurial route. So I'm now working for myself, no longer the church.
So you just never went back to the church?
I had no reason.
Still using your hands.
Well, I want to know now, do you use your hands on this job?
Nah, no, I don't.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Matthews, is there anything that you worried about losing if you are the father?
Yes, I have a lot to lose. I just started my business, is up and running. A child right now would slow me down. I'm kind of at a fast pace in life right now where I'm not, not to say a child is a bad thing, but it would slow me down.
Okay. So I know you said you worried about your business. What is your business? I'm curious to know.
I'm in a medical business, dispensary.
So ain't this against church policy and guidelines?
Another reason why I had no reason to come back.
Well, let me go on back over to you now. Miss Lydia, is there anything you worried about losing?
As you know, Your Honor, I've already lost faith in the church because they don't look kindly on someone being a single mother. But it is hard enough already. It's hard enough already that I have that. They know I've had a child out of wedlock. But I need him to step up and now be this baby girl's father. I need a man by my side on this. I need a team player and co-parenting with the.
So I'm saying this. What
She's
does that
talk
mean?
too much. Talking. Can't stop talking.
She's telling us side of the story.
Yeah, well, she's so talkative. How could we possibly make a baby with her talking so much?
You can't be. It's a lot of talking when you're doing that too. I'm sure you know that part too.
Not with me.
So you want to just be quiet, huh? Keep it quiet, huh?
More or less. Only noise making, no talking.
Your Honor, I just need him to step and pay some child support now at this point. I don't even know if I want a man like that raising my daughter.
Oh. Yeah. So, Mr. Matthews, are there any specific incidents that made you feel like you're not the father of this child?
1, the color.
We're going to go back to the color.
White. Egg white. Not the brown ones, the white ones. Just white. Pure. Color of a dove. Red, white, and blue. Take out the blue and the red. Just white. The baby looked like a macadamia nut. A sugar cookie. The baby looks like a Rolls Royce Wraith. Yeah, Michael Jackson after the operation.
Oh.
Okay. That was one of mine. Okay, we gonna cut it off right there.
This baby is so white, it shops at Whole Foods.
I shop at Whole Foods. All right, Miss Lydia, is there any specific incidents that you may claim why he is the father?
We were on that boat for 2 weeks. And he was in my room every other day. Of course you're the one that got me pregnant. I didn't have anywhere else to go. I was on a boat. We did it at least 3 times a day.
his hands. I mean, okay, you know what? So what do your friends and family say about this situation?
Obviously, having a child out of wedlock, that's a sin in itself, but my family is disappointed. They've seen he doesn't come to church anymore. The congregation sees that. I thought I was being with a man of God. I trusted him. And I got the rod instead of the God.
So what do your friends and family say about this situation?
They have no idea.
Well, they gonna know now because you sitting in front of this courtroom and it's time. It's time. So they definitely gonna know about this now. Do you have a wife?
Yes. 15 years.
So what is your wife gonna think about this?
I'm innocent
You
until
innocent.
proven guilty.
Okay, so if you proven guilty, do you think your wife gonna walk?
Doubt it.
She stuck to you like glue, huh? Okay.
Is that glue white?
Yes.
I need to ask now. Is your wife white or black? I need to know.
She's white.
So she's white as well. So you definitely you definitely got a type.
He
But-
likes the sugar cookies.
Yes, I do have a type, but me and my wife also have 3 kids, all 3 brown sugar.
Brown sugar. So they got the melanin in it.
Yes.
That's what you're saying. But this one is all milk and magnesium.
That's what gives me the doubt.
Oh, okay. How has your life been affected since this uncertainty of this paternity?
I love my baby. She is the light of my life. And I really thought he would step up and at least do the right thing by her because she is pure and innocent in this, no matter what we did.
Okay. And I mean, how has your life been affected?
Hasn't been affected.
Because nobody knows until now.
Yes.
Okay. Let me ask you, Miss Lydia, are there any other potential fathers that could be involved in it?
No, I was only with him on that retreat. Only with him.
I object.
You say who?
I object.
You object. So well, I do. We're going to get down to the bottom of this because I do have the results here in front of me and they read as follows. In the case of 3-year-old Jessica, Mr. Matthews, you are the father. So that baby got some medicine in it. Let me hear from you. What are your plans moving forward now?
Child support.
Are you gonna have a relationship with this child?
Child support.
So no relationship with this child.
Child support.
Fine by me.
And stay away. Pay and stay away is what you saying.
That's best for my
Wouldn't
household.
want someone like him around my daughter anyway. Look, he hasn't been anywhere supportive of any of this. So I have just simply come here to set the record straight and get child support so he can at least own up and be accountable like that because he's a deadbeat dad.
Well, I'm not a deadbeat dad. I take care of 3, just not this one.
Okay, so with that being said, I really think you need to think hard and long about this because a child does not act to be in his life. And when you don't do right by your kids, right don't follow you. You know that, right? So you can't have 3 that you're doing 4 and then 1 you just gonna pay child support and just push it out to the wolves. That's still a part of you. I hope you know that and understand that.
3 out of 4 is not bad, Your Honor.
That's in your eyes it may look like that, but in my eyes, them kids did not ask to be here. So with that being said, court is adjourned.